Welcome back. Eli Lilly and Company with another major announcement this week. Just one of many stories Business of Health reporter Kylie Veleta has for us this week. Kylie?
Thank you, Gary. Eli Lilly and Company continuing its march to ramp up U.S. drug production, one-upping its $5 billion plant announcement in Virginia last week. Lilly announcing this week it will build a $6.5 billion plant in Houston to make its highly anticipated weight loss drug that comes in pill form instead of injection. The company will submit the drug for approval this year. The Indianapolis-based pharmaceutical giant is growing here in its home state, too. Construction is underway at the LEAP Research and Innovation District in Lebanon, where Lilly is spending $13 billion to build new manufacturing sites. The Houston facility is the second of 4 plants that Lilly has committed to building in the U.S. And now to a startup we've been following for years. The Butterfly BVM is ready for the big leagues. Created by Indianapolis-based Compact Medical, the device just earned FDA clearance, now ready to roll out nationwide.
The traditional one-size-fits-all bag valve mask, or BVM, has hardly changed since the 1950s and can inadvertently harm the patient by pumping too much air. Creators of the Butterfly BVM say it delivers smarter CPR by giving medics more control, and now it's go time.
But what's been always a bummer up to this point is we've always had to tell them, like, yeah, we're not FDA cleared yet, so you just got to wait a little longer. It's now exciting to be able to say, and we're FDA cleared.
The device features 2 dials. One selects a patient's size from infant to adult to deliver the correct amount of air. The second dial keeps air pressure in a safe zone.
Now it's like, okay, now that it's cleared, all of a sudden a new door opens up that was previously shut to you. And it's all the, like you're saying, it's the marketing and actually getting the product out.
You go to EMS World, it's your local conference on steroids.
And the biggest sales opportunity yet, the EMS World Expo, just days away, being held right here in Indianapolis for the first time, giving home court advantage to target thousands of potential customers.
A conference like this is one of our most important target markets that we're focusing on, is the emergency medical services pre-hospital market, right? And everybody at this conference is part of that market, right? And so it's a really targeted, great venue for us.
The Butterfly BVM is manufactured in Central Indiana, and final assembly is at the Hope Center, Indy.
The Hope Center brings freedom to ladies who were formerly enslaved.
A faith-based not-for-profit for women escaping human trafficking. They live on campus while learning job skills, a mission now boosted by the Butterfly BVM.
Paramedics will be the device's first target market, but Merrell says there's also great potential in the hospital industry and military. Well, it's sniffle season in Indiana as fall allergies begin, and 2 Hoosier doctors are selling a new product they say will help. The 2 recent IU School of Medicine graduates created Sinusana and are now selling the respiratory wellness device on Amazon, Shopify, and Walmart.com. The mask delivers heated, dry air in 20-minute sessions to dry out germs, open nasal passages, and soothe the irritated sinuses. The 2 Hoosier docs say it's a natural, drug-free method to relieve nasal congestion. Indiana investors include Boomerang Ventures and Vision Tech Partners.
Life as we knew it changed with one little diagnosis: cerebral palsy.
Magical Meadows in Warsaw broke ground this week on a $2 million expansion that will add 2 new riding arenas, one focused on veterans and first responders, and the other for children and adults with disabilities. The new indoor space will open the door to year-round therapeutic horseback riding. Magical Meadows has raised $1.2 million toward its $2 million goal.
Butterfly, the mobile resuscitator.
Yes.
Great story on that. How'd the idea come about?
So the CEO is a doctor, and he was working in a NICU here in Indianapolis, and he got the idea for a device that needed to be a different size. And it's interesting how he found his co-founder was actually at a Purdue event on campus. His co-founder was an undergrad in biomedical engineering at the time. The 2 connected, and the rest is history, as they say.
Entrepreneurial success story.
That's right.
Thanks, Kylie.
Yep.